Hey, have you heard about the GRACE model for resilience assessment in manufacturing organizations?
No, I haven't. What is it?
It's a graph-based model that utilizes centrality measures to assess key performance indicators of business units for highlighting critical areas that significantly influence organizational functionality.
That sounds interesting. How does it work?
By employing resilience metrics and a graph-based representation, simulated disruption scenarios can be induced for identifying vulnerabilities in business units that may lead to lower resilience.
That's impressive. Has it been tested?
Yes, it has. The effectiveness of GRACE was demonstrated within a simulation service for risk and crisis management in manufacturing and evaluated in a case study. Results showcased GRACE's performance in resilience assessment and its potential to enhance organizational preparedness with respect to response strategies.
Wow, that's great. Resilience has become crucial for manufacturing organizations in the face of various crises. GRACE seems like a valuable tool for assessing and enhancing organizational resilience.